we haven't heard anything in literally over 2 hours. And I think that's in large part due to the fact that most people are not on the roads.
Yeah, and like I said, I think it's going to just be a continuation of that. So, again, nothing pressing. There's no emergencies. Stay in your house.
All right, if you've got an update, as always, Rock Road Warriors are welcome to call or text anytime at 636-8890, or you can message us via our social media as well. We'll keep you guys posted. Once again, keep an eye on our Storm Center page. You can access anytime at rock889.ca, powered by Aberdeen Subaru. We've got a list of all the closures and delays. If there's any updates, we'll make sure to post them there, and we'll keep you fed all the information on the social media as well as live right here at Rock 88.9. Weather, the winter storm warning is still in effect for the entire listening area. Let's go to there's someone ringing right now here, Ash.
Hello?
Hi, Rock 88.9, you're live. You got an update?
Hey, Rod, that's I'm calling. I was just thinking even about 825. There's one road then. Just St. Andrews exit from that on, no clouds on the road.
Yeah.
The roads are terrible. I'm just going to Muskwash right now on the way to St. John. And visibility's not too bad. You can see maybe like 300 yards.
Oh, you can?
Side now. The roads are just terrible.
Okay. All right. So there's your report coming in from St. Stephen. He's around Musquat right now. He's been on the road for well over an hour. He should have been here a long time ago. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So Chuck's going slow and steady. He says things are not that good. Visibility not that bad right now, but you could come into a spot where it's open and then you can't see anything again. So extra care and caution. They're saying this is likely going to continue on until this evening.